here, see if that's good. What is up, everybody? Welcome back. It's well after midnight here Sunday morning, and I am busting my butt on the Coronet. I am way behind from where I want to be, but life happens. Customer projects have to get done. Much more priority than the Coronet, unfortunately, but I am back on it. I have just over probably a week and a half to get this bad boy ready for Moparty, and I'm gonna do everything in my power and, you know, bust it out. This week I got the interior completely done. The car is completely wired from the firewall back, minus about 3 wires for the vintage air. I got to mount the battery still also. I'm trying to think here. All the suspension has been test fit. All the brakes have been test fit. I have yet to mock up the rear end, so that's one thing I need to do. But I am going to take the engine out now, take all the suspension parts out of it, and get it to where I can do the Sweet Patina N1 coating on the bottom of it. I like that stuff a lot on the interior, so I'm gonna spray it in the trunk, and I'm gonna do the whole bottom side of the car. Hopefully we get that captured good on camera so you guys can get a really good like before and after and gratification video of that. That's what I'm gonna work on tonight, along with getting the engine and stuff out, because I want this thing to be bare bones. And we still have a Texas speed cam kit and a few other upgrades to put in the engine. We still got to put the clutch in between the motor and transmission, and do the shifter relocation for the shifter placement that we have in the car. So it's all got to come out to work on that stuff. It'd be much easier to do it outside the car than in the car. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to start working. Here we go.
I was just kidding. Come on. You guys know I was just kidding, right?
First things first, I'm going to get this car up a little bit. I'm going to get some jack stands underneath the K-member in the transmission. I'm going to do the K-member bolts, and I'm going to actually lift the car off of the frame. Hopefully all goes well and the motor doesn't fall off onto the ground and break a bunch of stuff. I got the engine and transmission out. That was a fiasco. I should have just got the forklift. It got kind of sketchy. I had to get Kyle's help on that. All the metal's prepped. I'll give it one final wipe down. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crawl inside, crawl into the back seat. I'm gonna mask up the transmission tunnel and the back seat, so we don't overspray the interior, because I don't have the full trans tunnel on yet. And then I'm going to drape the whole car in plastic to keep the overspray off the car, because that stuff does not clean up well. Like, it is hard to get off. It sticks, which is good, which is what we want. We just want to keep the overspray down. We have the full car bagged. We're just going around taping the edges. And then the trunk is all masked and everything. The back seat's masked. Trans tunnel is masked. We got it all prepped, seam sealed, cleaned, everything good to go. We got our masking line here. I'm not gonna coat the engine bay, so we're gonna mask that off next. But I wanna do all this bottom side and inside the wheel wells here. So we'll mask all the inside of the bumper off, inside the radiator support off, all that good stuff. And then we'll still finish bagging the front of the car. All right, we have the car completely draped and masked, ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and suit up, get the product ready, the Sweet Patina N1 product. I'm super excited. I'm gonna take a couple good before and after pictures to post. But yeah, here we go. It's just about, I don't know, what time is it? Oh, 3:48. Hopefully we'll be done by about 4:30 and get the fuck out of here. Ooh-wee! That came out perfect. I'm super pumped. I'm tired. It's 5:30 in the morning. We're going home.